Secret number 1. Your basic salary is the real MVP. Everyone gets obsessed with the CTC. The CTC is just your Tinder profile. It looks great, but it's not the whole story. Your basic salary is the real deal. It's the engine of your entire financial life. Why? Because almost every other important calculation secretly depends on it. Your Employee Provident Fund, or EPF contribution, calculated on your basic. Your gratuity payout after 5 years, calculated on your basic. The variable component of your bonus, often linked to your basic. Life hack. During your next appraisal, when HR says, "We're giving you a 15% hike," don't just nod. Ask this one question. How much of that is going into my basic salary? A huge hike in allowances with a tiny bump in basic is not the flex you think it is. I expose all 5 secrets, the good and the bad, in the full video. Link is in the description below.